Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my Hobonichi cousin that I use as my everyday planner. And I'm getting to the last couple of weeks in my Hobonichi cousin avec, and then I'll have to switch to my July to December. And you can tell it's getting really chunky on this side. So I'm actually glad I'm moving into a new planner come July, just so it's not so thin on this side versus like super chunky on this side. But anyway, what I will be using this week are what I have left of the mental health awareness stickers from According to Allie, and I may bring in some of her alcohol inks as well. And I'm hoping to use, if I do use the Tombow Dual brush pens, I will be using these three, 620, 761, and 192. Let's get started. So first thing I want to do is, instead of actually putting washi up at the top, I kind of want to, what happened here? Okay, I kind of want to put some of the alcohol ink across the top with some of the flowers that are still left. I don't have a lot of the flowers, so I might do a combination of the alcohol ink. Let's take a bigger one here, and then I'll cut this in half. Scissors. This happens to me every single time, and it's probably somewhere like really stupid, and I'm not even looking at it. Oh, there, all the way over by my printer. Okay, so cut that one in half just like so, and I'm going to be doing a few checks today to make sure that I am still recording, because it did happen on a couple of occasions, I think last week, where I did stop recording in like the middle of what I was doing. Not fun. Okay, I'm gonna move this so that it's under here, the pencil board, just so it's easier to see that I'm putting it down properly. And of course I did not. That's okay. That's what scissors are for. Okay, so then I'm placing this piece one over here because it is the biggest sticker, and I normally place the biggest sticker down here, which should still leave me enough room to be able to, you know what, I'll do this slightly differently this week. I'm going to cover the calendar, but then am I going to have enough flowers to put down here? I just want to, okay, why don't I do the sidebar first? Whoa, okay, why don't I do the sidebar first, and then figure out if I have enough room to put it down. So for the sidebar, I'm going to take 192 and just put it right across there as my header. And take my Tombow Dual brush pen and write in the word sleep. And then I'll take a cute emoji from the Coffee Monsters Co. and put it down, and then draw in my graph. And it's really important for me to keep track of my sleep, and it helps that my Fitbit actually does this for me, and I like to seeing it in graph form, although last week I did screw it up a little bit. Anyway, and then right underneath that I will put in my workout schedule. I've also started doing 5K walks during the week because I'm trying to train up for a 10K walk in August. So now that I've done the sidebar here, I can see if this pea sticker will fit. Oh, perfect, it does. Yay. Okay, I have all of these stickers and emojis everywhere. So now I can add some of these stickers to the top, and I'm gonna add some, should I add this washi? No, I don't like the look of that one. This washi, I don't know if I like, I don't know. I don't know what I want to do as of yet. And then I'll probably put the purple one down here. So I will leave that for now. And then what I'm going to do down at the bottom is I'm going to highlight with my Tombow Duo brush pens and then brush letter in the word meals. And in the bottom 3 lines here, I keep track of my meals every day. And then I will write in BLD for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I think what I'm gonna do up top here is add in some of the extra color using some more of Ali's alcohol inks, like add in some of the purple to go with the purple in here. It's not I don't think it's a perfect match, but I think it'll help bring some of that color from the florals. Pretty. And then I will take one of the rose ones and just place that here. And then I'm going to place this bigger khaki one, which matches that. And I'm going to cut this one as well. Place that back here. And I'm going to place the khaki one across Saturday and Sunday. I'll actually place a little bit over where I put meals. And then I'll place the purple just like so. Oh, I like that. And then I have one more sticker here where do I want to put this? Do I want to put it right up at the top here? Because I don't want it to cover any of the other days. But it feels like it could go like pretty well right here, right in the center of the spread. Like that. I'm like that. Finished. I love finishing a sticker sheet. Okay. So now I will get into gosh, my talking. Talking is hard work. Especially when you're trying to plan and make sure that your whole desk is clean at the same time. So now I'm going to go into each day and I'm going to go ahead and write in or use the header for the Tombow Dual brush pens and then brush letter in the word work and then draw in my working hours each day. Now the pen that I'm using this week, I think I'm going to end up using the TWSBI Diamond 580 with Rose Gold Antica, and I think I'm still debating whether or not to bring in the purple or actually just use gray. The gray might work out really well. So now I'll go into each day and fill out each day with what I can remember anyway. So I have to remember that on Monday that the cleaner is coming. So we'll have a cleaner 10:30 to 3:30. And this is something I just started doing, and I'm hoping, should everything go well, that we'll be hiring a cleaner once a month. And then in the evening, so at about 6 to 7, or 6:30 to 7:30, around here. Just put in a circle here. Where we go. So about 6:30, Robin will go to the archery center and just shoot a couple of bow and arrows. And then our to-do list, I say our to-do list, but normally my to-do list on a Monday is meal plan and order groceries. And grocery pickup is normally Thursday evening, right after my husband gets off work. Tuesday, the main thing that we have for Tuesday is the garbages. Yes, garbages. Why would I forget that? So yes, finding the garbage day doodle from Coffee Monsters Co. And then just writing in with my TWSBI, put out garbages. And again, this is my husband's task, but I'm normally the one who reminds him, so it has to go in my planner. And also, big important thing, and I really should put it in here, but it is our anniversary, our wedding anniversary on the 14th. I really should put something in there for it. We went out on Saturday for our anniversary, so I'm really bad about putting things in here. I'll probably put it in my monthly spread, but not in here. Nothing on the Wednesday that I know of. 16th, my husband is doing a couple of things here. So where's that? So I have to make note that my husband is, he is going back to his first Weight Watchers meeting. So it'll be 5:30, Rob, at WW Sherwood Park. So he'll probably be there until, I don't know, 6:15. And then after that, he will pick up groceries, which I just put the, oh no, I said I just put those stickers away. There we go. I'm getting down to the last one. Sticker sheet finally empty, and it's been years in the making. So then the pickup for groceries this time will be 6:30 to 7. So I'm actually just going to write that just so I remember that's what I'm going to schedule it. Okay, then Friday, Henry's last swimming lesson. His last swimming lesson. And then I'm trying to remember if there's anything else. Oh, and I do need to do filming that day. So let's grab that purple. Seems perfect. And where do I want to put this? Yeah, I'll put it in here. So to film is the usual. My weeks and my cousin. I'm thinking of also doing like a little update about myself just so that you guys can hear what's going on, what my future plans are, things like that. I can't think of anything else here. And then Saturday, let's find an appropriate sticker for that. Okay, so then Saturday I am meeting my friend Amanda for breakfast. Let's put it on at this side. I actually don't know where we're meeting yet. Okay, so that will be this. 8 o'clock. What am I writing? Breakfast. Oh, I'm so excited. I don't even know where we're going yet. And then Henry himself has a wall climbing. So let's use, here we go. So Henry will have a wall climbing from 10 to 11:30. My husband will be the one to drop him off, and I will be the one to pick him up. Then I don't think we have any other plans for the rest of the day other than, let's see, guys, what do I do every Saturday night? I need to get more of these, or else, you know what, I'll just use what I've got. I don't have any other plans for that day. So let's put the laundry down here for now. Things can always change. So fold laundry. And then I know Sunday morning, I will have to do my 5K walk. Oh, stickers are all but then we will also have our cleaning to do. So let's pull out my other Paper Bits Co. sticker. What are you eating? Lucy came in here with the treat and just started like munching away. So then I'll put cleaning down here, and it will be the gray. So it will be bed linens, bathrooms, cabs and apps, windows, vacuum, and dust and garbages, which we're trying to encourage Henry to do, but nobody likes dusting. But he does that. He like collects the garbages from the rest of the house, and then handles and switches. And then that afternoon we are having, I guess, a late lunch or early dinner. I don't know. At my parents' house. I don't know the exact time, so I don't want to put any sticker down just yet. But I'm very excited to be able to see my family again. It's been a while. My parents have been in the Philippines for quite a few weeks, so it'll just be nice to see everybody again. All right. Oh, okay. So thank you guys for sticking with me this long, because I think I am finally done. That was a lot of chatting for me. I apologize for the length of this video, but I hope this gives you guys some ideas to how to organize or how to use up the space in your Hobonichi cousin. I know I went a little all over the place, but the way that I like to decorate is put some of the design deco down first, work on the sidebar, do the bottom, and then work on the middle. And actually, when I put it down that way, makes things really, really easy for me. But everybody does things differently. That's up to you. Again, that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.